Hi, my name is Nick Weiss. I am the owner, founder, and supervising attorney of N.P. Weiss Law. I want to talk about mechanics liens, contractor liens. What is a lien? A lien is an interest, an enforceable interest against a property that we use to secure an amount of money owed. And if that lien is there, it's securing an amount of money owed, then the person holding that lien can cloud the title or foreclose on the property in order to recover on that debt. That's a very powerful remedy for someone who holds a lien against a property. And the reason that you would want that is to prevent someone from selling the property out from under you, so make sure that you get paid as part of that transfer, or you enforce that lien yourself in order to get paid. At the beginning of any construction and new construction, the property owner, or sometimes the general contractor, will file what's called a notice of commencement. They have to file that. That's in order to say to everyone, this project has started. If they do that, a contractor, subcontractor, anywhere, then has to file a notice of furnishing. That is, they're announcing that they have also started work on this project. You have to do that notice of furnishing, if you later want to file a lien. After that notice of commencement and then the notice of furnishing, let's say that there's a pay dispute. A contractor, a subcontractor, someone has done work for which they have not been compensated. At that point, if there's been a notice of commencement and a notice of furnishing, they get to file an affidavit of mechanics lien with the county recorder's office and then serve that lien on the property owners. If the owner didn't file that notice of commencement, then you can file that a lot more easily. You don't even have to do your notice of furnishing. You have certain timelines in filing that mechanics lien if you're doing it correctly. For any kind of commercial project, that's 75 days from the last date that work was performed. For any residential project, that's 60 days from the date that last work was performed. And there you have it. You've established that lien, and then you can enforce that lien against the property, either by clouding title or by moving for foreclosure. There are ways then for the property owner to remove that lien. The most common way is just to pay it. Second most common way is what's called a notice to commence suit, a statement that is basically a put up or shut up. We dare you to file a suit against us, to do a foreclosure action against us. If you take the dare, now you're in a lawsuit. Now you're in a foreclosure. But if you don't take the dare, you lose your lien entirely. The alternative, a property owner could also file a bond with a common pleas court to replace the lien and get rid of the lien that way. Any of these steps here, what we're trying to do is we're trying to preserve an interest in the property, to secure an amount that is owed to a contractor. If you need assistance in either maintaining a mechanics lien or removing an improperly asserted mechanics lien, give us a call.